Hi and welcome to this my video. In this video I am going to explain a simple polling API system where user can create a question, user can add option to a question, user can add vote to an option of question, user can view a question with its options and all the votes given to it. User can delete question, so there is restriction to deleting a question. A question can't be deleted if one of its option has votes, and user can delete option also, so there is restriction in deleting option. An option can't be deleted if it has even one vote given to it. So let's check how this API works in Postman. So simply I am creating a question. So there is created a question and I have getted the successful message. So content was MS Dhoni was best captain ever, and I'm selecting this ID to create option. So go to create option, and here I'm passing params, and this is the ID, and I'm passing the message content type. So sending request. So here you can see here option created successful message with content as, and this is the question ID and this is the ID of option. So I am copy this ID. So simply I can vote here, and if I want to delete question, then I have to select the ID of question. So selecting the question ID, let's copy it and go to delete question and passing this ID to delete question. So here you can see successful message to delete question, and now let's create another one. So Virat Kohli is best Indian player. So I am sending request. Yes, it's created successfully, and I am pass creating an option with S, content type S. Sorry, I have to select the ID of created question. So I am selecting this question ID and creating option to this question. So I have to pass params with ID created question. So I am sending here request, and you can see option created successfully. Yes, it's created successfully with content type S. And if I want to view the question and option, then simply go to view question, and I have to pass option. I have to pass ID. So I will see here option and question. See here. This is the question. Virat Kohli is the best player, and this is the content type with S, and I can vote here. So let's vote and send request. So vote added successfully. Yes. And now if I want to delete question, then now I will not able to delete this question. So select the question ID. Yes. Delete question with this ID. Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm sending request. So question option has some vote, not possible to delete. Yes, this all works fine. And if I want to also delete option, then I will not able to delete. I will get the same message error. So go to option ID, and this is the ID of this option. Select this one, copy this, and send request to delete option. Oh, sorry. And sending request. Yes, can't be deleted. It has vote. So this is all about my API, how it's work in Postman. So if I talk about my coding part, then let's go to coding part. Yes. So this is index.js. This is the starting node where I'm importing library. This is the required library, and this is the port where I'm running my project, and this is the database where configure from Mongoose. So this is the middleware, middle for pass from data, and I'm routing my index page to routes index.js, and this is the port listening here. If I get any error, then it will show me error, and I will get the success message if there is no error with port. And let's go to routes, and there is index.js, and I am routing here index.js to API. So let's go to API and API with index.js. So this is index.js, and I am routing here v1 index.js. So go to v1 index.js, and I am routing here two page option and question. So let's go to first question. So go to question, and I am routing the page with question controllers, and here I am creating question, view question, delete question. So let's go to controller, controller question question controller, and here I am creating question, and this is for view question, and this is for delete question, and this is all about for question, and there is another option. So option I am sending, I am routing this page to option controller. So this is option controller where I am creating option delete, that is for deleting option, and add vote for adding vote. So go to option controller, and this is option controller, and I am creating here option. This is for creating option, and I am deleting option here. So this is for deleting option, and this is for adding vote, and this is all about for option controller. And I have created a model for these two question and option. So let's go to first question, and there is I'm passing there is question schema where I'm passing content with type a string, and this is for required, this is required, and I'm passing option with type of array, and I'm fetching this from option, and I'm exporting here. So let's go to options. So this is option, and here I have created option schema. So I'm passing here content question, and question fetching from question schema, and add, this is for vote of type number, and this is linking vote. So this is type of a string, and timestamp here. So this is timestamp, and I'm exporting option, and I have created config. So this is config with, I am connecting database here. So I'm connecting database, and I will explain config, controller, model, routes, and index. So I think everything is completed. It's over, and thanks for watching.